in front of her, thinking I'm cutting her off so that I could cross over, even though I wasn't going to the line. And I'm like, you fucking right. And then walk behind her and then
Congratulations! Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. Oh, the places you'll go. There is fun to be done.
The Circus McGurkus, the world's greatest show. On the face of the earth or wherever you go. Here in Ring 1, from the ocean of Ulf, is a sight most amazing. A walrus named Rolf, who can stand on one whisker, this wonderful Rolf. On top of 5 balls, 2 tennis, 3 golf. It's a marvelous trick if I say so myself. And while this wild ruckusing goes on below, at the top of the tent, look, the star of the show. Great Daredevil Sneelock, the world's bravest type. Great Sneelock soars up to a terrible height.
My name is Sylvester McMonkey McBean. Now if you've got troubles on how to I'm the fictional champion. If you want stars like a star-belly sneak, oh my friends, you can have them for $3 each. Just pay me your money and I'll be right along.
Hop! Hop! We like to hop! We like to hop on top of Hop!
Stop! You must not hop on Pop.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
I do. I like them, Sam, I am. I like these green eggs and ham. Now the star-bellied Sneetches had bellies with stars. The plain-bellied Sneetches had none upon bars. Those stars weren't so big, they were really quite small. You might think such a thing wouldn't matter at all. But because they had stars, the star-bellied Sneetches would brag.
We're the best kind of sneetch on the beaches.
All the rest of the day on those wild gleaming beaches, the fix-it-up chappie kept fixing up Sneetches. Then when every last cent of their money was spent, the fix-it-up chappie packed up. And he went, and he laughed as he drove his car up the beach.
And they'll never learn. No. You can't teach a sneetch.
But McBean was quite wrong. I'm happy to say that the Sneetches got really quite smart on that day. The day they decided that Sneetches are Sneetches, and no kind of Sneetch is the best on the beaches. That day all the Sneetches forgot about stars, and whether they had one or not, upon guard.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the trolley until you're asked to disembark.
Attention, please. Ride vehicles will begin moving immediately. Remain clear of the ride path. Once again, ride vehicles will begin moving immediately. Please remain clear of the ride path.
I think there is.